I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the K9 professional gaming headset. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what they look like. As you probably know by now, well maybe not, but I love gaming, especially Elden Ring. So I'll give you a nice little manual to go over. If you are familiar with headsets, then you're gonna know what to do with all of this stuff. It's gonna be pretty simple and basic. This company, looks like they make everything very simple. All right, to start off with, you have your main headquarter base right here, and what I mean by that is this is your control panel, so you can actually mute your mic, turn your mic on. You got your color settings, and you have the volume adjusting right on your headset. Take a look here. As you can see, you got plenty of cables, so you can have this plugged pretty far away into your device. Over here, you have a USB plug to plug in, and over here they have connected for dual AUX inputs as well. So right in here, so you can plug all of that inside. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, guys. So to show you guys what they look like, nice black stealth mode. Obviously, you can adjust them on each side. You just pull it down and it adjusts to your head. There is soft matting up top here, which that is really nice, and on the sides. Of course, your ears are protected with this soft, which they are adjustable, so they do move around as well, which gives good flexibility. So the pads are soft. Your microphone is in here, and all you do is you pull that out, and then you can set the microphone however you want. Overall, they look really nice. Let's go ahead and see how they fit. So we have a hat on, and they fit perfectly with the hat. The microphone is good length. It's not right in front of your mouth, which normally causes issues. So it's good length. You can adjust it. Nice setup. Again, you can adjust the head strap if you need to. If you don't, overall, great. So now something that I want to actually see if it actually does work with. We're going to go ahead and plug this in. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Check out those colors. Woo! That is nice. And you got colors inside there as well. Oh, man. I know you don't see it when you're wearing them, but that is sweet, my friends. That is sweet. Both sides. So it's not just one side knockoff. It's both sides. That is awesome, guys. So we got it plugged in. You guys can plug it into a power bank if you want. We're going to go ahead and test out the audio. If you have it plugged into your computer, you know, whatever you guys are doing. We have a portable gaming setup for us, so we use power banks and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and connect our phone and test out the quality of the headset. All right, guys. So this is for your microphone. The red is microphone. The green is for audio. So the green gets plugged into your audio. The red gets plugged into your microphone port. And your USB just gets plugged into your USB outlet, and that's power. We got a portable power bank, so now we're testing out the bass. Got some music playing. What I like to do is I like to actually play videos of gameplay itself, so I can test out, you know, instead of loading every single game and taking forever to do that, I can simply load the gameplay and hear the quality of the gun firing and stuff. So right now we're just testing music, then we're going to get under gameplay. So see you guys in a little bit. Make sure, guys, to adjust the volume on here as well. Woo! So this is a copyright-free song.
Is what defines So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop.
Oh, man! That bass is killer! Oh, that is so good. We gotta load up some shooting gameplay because I bet that is gonna be wild. Let's just test this out. Let's Arma 3. We gotta test this out. Wow. Audio from this here, it like goes back and forth. Like the gun fires like boom, 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 boom. Wow. Wow. We got a
75 meters, right.
guys, these headsets, this headset is amazing. It's amazing. The sound quality is amazing. I mean, it's in the top 5 headsets I've ever reviewed. Actually, no, it's in the top 3. It's definitely in the top 3 headset that I've ever used. Not all headsets even work with a portable power bank, so sometimes there's interference or issues. Not with this. If you got a portable gaming system, plug it in a power bank and you're good to go. This is amazing, guys. And the fact that, the mic goes right back inside for storage, I mean, this is nice. This is nice. I'm impressed, guys. I'm definitely impressed with this headset. It's fighting for the top. I mean, oh, man. I have reviewed a lot of headsets in the years. This bass is perfect. The treb is perfect. The RGB is beautiful. Cool graphic on it. It's comfortable. You got tons of cable length. I mean, you can have this pretty far away from whatever your device you're using with. The music with this plays good. Shooting plays good. Everything is crisp and clear. Woo! We're giving this a 5-star rating, and that's my honestly personal opinion. That is what I personally give this. I mean, I'm that blown away. Obviously, I'll do an updated review in 6 months and let you guys know if my score changed or not. If my score hasn't changed, then I won't ever update a 6-month video. But if it does change, I will update. If I start playing this, start using this, because I use my headphones every day. If I start using this every day and like after a week, something's wrong, I'm going to be right on here making another update video, letting you guys know. But, I mean, for their first initial test, it blew my mind, man. It blows my mind. These are really nice. Good job on the manufacturer for making them and designing them. Keep down this path. I mean, that is really nice. Really nice.